In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Google Family group step by step. If you want to remove your account from a Google Family group, this process is fairly simple, but it's important to understand what happens before you confirm. Once you leave, you may lose access to shared purchases, subscriptions, and other family benefits connected to that group. So as we go through this, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account and ready to proceed. To get started, open Google Family on your phone, tablet, or computer. You can do this either through the Google Family Management page in a web browser or by opening the Google Family Link app. Both options will take you to the place where family group settings are managed. Once you're there, sign in with the Google account that is currently part of the family group you want to leave. This is important because if you're signed into a different account, you won't see the correct family settings or the option to remove yourself from the right group. After signing in, look for the section labeled Family Settings or Manage Family Group. The exact wording can vary a little depending on the device you're using, but you're basically looking for the main area where Google lets you view and control family membership. Next, find your own profile within the family group and select it. Make sure you choose your personal profile, since this is where Google places the option to manage your membership. Once your profile is open, tap or click the option that says Leave Family Group. At this point, Google will usually show a message explaining what will change when you leave. Take a moment to read through that information carefully. This may include losing access to shared content, family subscriptions, or other perks that were available through the group. If you're sure you want to continue, select Leave or Confirm. This final confirmation removes your account from the family group. After that, give it a little time for everything to sync. Once the change finishes processing, your Google account will no longer be part of that family group, and any shared family benefits will end. If the update doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page, closing and reopening the app, or waiting a few minutes for Google's system to catch up. That's normal in some cases. And that's it. You've successfully left a Google Family group.